Hello all, welcome to Technostic. In the section of database management system, today we are going to look upon advantages of database management system over file management system. So let's get started. So there are basic 8 advantages over database management system over file management system. So let's see one by one. So first is minimal data redundancy, that is duplication. So due to centralized database, it is possible to avoid unnecessary duplication of information. This leads to reduced data redundancy. It prevents memory wastage and reduces extra processing time to get required data. Okay, so it is better than file management system, as we saw redundancy there. Now that is prevented over here. Next is share data. All authorized users and application programs can share database easily. There in file management system we cannot share data easily, it is very complex, and here we can easily share data and user application programs. Next is data consistency. Data inconsistency occurs due to data redundancy. With reduced data redundancy, such type of data inconsistency can be eliminated. This results in improved data consistency. Next is data access. So database management system utilizes a variety of techniques to retrieve data. Required data can be retrieved by providing appropriate query to database management system. Thus, data can be accessed in convenient and efficient manner. Next is data integrity. Data in database must be correct and consistent. So data stored in database must satisfy certain types of constraints, that is rules. Database management system provides different ways to implement such type of constraints or rules. This improves data integrity in a database. So next is data security. Database should be accessible to user in a limited way. Database management system provides way to control the access to data for different users according to their requirement. It prevents unauthorized access to data. Thus, security can also be improved. Unlike file management system, concurrent access. Multiple users are allowed to access data simultaneously. Am I right? Concurrent access to centralized data can be allowed under some supervision. This results in better performance of system and faster response. Now in concurrent access in file management system, there was very much inconsistency, but here in database, as the data is centralized, redundancy is reduced, and so inconsistency is also reduced. Now guaranteed atomicity. This is the best function or advantage of database management system. That is, any operation on database must be atomic. This means operation must be executed either 100% or 0%. This type of atomicity is guaranteed in database management system. So these were the 8 main advantages of database management system over file management system. Thank you for watching this video. Please stay tuned for more such content to our channel Technostic. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel. Press the bell button to get the latest updates to our channel. Thank you.